Hello, grade 9. Our lesson today is Radioactivity and Nuclear Energy, prepared by Rihan Fathi, narrated by Zinab Abdelhamid. Nuclear forces. They are forces that are necessary to bind the nucleus components together and overcome the repulsion force that are present between positively charged protons. Radioactivity phenomenon. It's the spontaneous decay of atoms, nuclei of some radioactive elements that are present in nature to achieve more stable composition. Henri Becquerel is one of the French scientists who discovered the emission of unseen rays from uranium element. These rays have the ability to penetrate solid objects. Radioactive elements. They are elements whose nuclei contain a number of neutrons more than the number needed or required for stability. Some radioactive elements, for example, radium, uranium, cesium, rubidium. Artificial radioactivity. It's the nuclear energy that's released during nuclear reaction, either from nuclear reactors or from nuclear bomb. As we see, the atom produces particles like alpha, beta, and energy in the form of radiation. The peaceful uses of nuclear energy, we can say, can be used in medical field to diagnose and treat cancer, agricultural field to eliminate pests or to improve some plant races, industrial field to convert sand into silicon sheets that can be used in computers, and also discover defects in manufactured product, for drilling to find petroleum or underground water. In electricity generation, it can be used for heating water to produce steam, which is used to operate turbines that generate electricity. In space exploration, the radioactive material are used as a nuclear fuel to launch or for launching rockets. Isotopes. Isotopes are atoms or elements have the same atomic number but differ in mass number due to difference in neutrons. Now, we will continue this lesson of radioactivity. Dr. Mustafa Msharrafa. Dr. Mustafa Msharrafa is one of the Egyptian scientists who has great theories in many fields of atom and radiation. Manufacturing of atomic bombs were based on his theories. Radiation pollution. Radiation pollution means the increase in the amount of radiation in the environment. It has many sources. Natural source or artificial source. Natural source as the presence of natural radioactive elements or cosmic radiation. Artificial source like explosion of nuclear bomb or nuclear reactors that gives many radiation. The explosion that occurred in the Russian reactor at Chernobyl leads to the presence of original cloud-contaminated air that inhaled by man or by skin contact and destroy the cells and cause cancer. It also affects animals, fish drinking water. The effects due to exposure of large dosage of radiation for short time, we can say that it damaged the digestive and central nervous system. It damaged the bone marrow, which leads to decrease in number of red blood cells and leads to leukemia or anemia, damage of spleen. The effects due to exposure of small dosage for long time leads to many effects, like physical effects as skin cancer, cellular effect where there is change in composition of the cell, as the change in composition of hemoglobin,